Hello, welcome to Electrical Presentations. Today I'm going to discuss three-way switches and how they work. Three-way switches are the switches that are used when two switches are needed to control a light or lights. They are usually found at the two ends of a hallway or a stairway. When a person switches one of the three ways, the light comes on. When he switches the other, the light goes off. If you look inside a three-way, you will see that it is a single pole, double throw switch. When you switch a three-way, it breaks with one contact and it mates with the other. Power is fed through this three-way across one of the two conductors that connects the two switches. These two conductors are known as travelers. If the switch is in the correct position, then power is feeding through this conductor will feed through the second three-way and energize the light. Here I'll demonstrate the two three-ways in the other position. Power is fed through, travels through the first three-way, across the other traveler to the second switch, and then through that three-way and on to energize the light. I hope this has been a help to you. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome to the tutorial on four-way switches and how they work. Today I'm going to explain what a four-way switch is and what it does. Here in the middle is a four-way switch. You will notice that this switch has four terminals, not counting the ground. The other two switches on the left and the right are three-ways. Notice that these two switches have three terminals, still not counting the ground. Whenever you need two switches to control a light, those two switches will always be three-ways. But when you need more than two switches, then all the extra switches will be four-ways. This is due to the fact that three-ways and four-ways are wired in series by a pair of conductors known as travelers. The first and last switches in the series are three-ways, and all other switches in between are four-ways. In other words, if for some reason a person wanted to have 100 switches to control a light, then two of those switches will be three-ways, and the remaining 98 switches will be four-ways. As you can see, by switching any of these switches, I can turn the light on or off. Now you're probably wondering, how does these switches work? Well, let's look inside the switches and see what's going on. Here you see the power is switched between the two travelers by the first three-way. As power reaches the four-way, you see that it passes straight through to the other three-way, and then from there to energize the light. Now if I was to switch the first three-way, you will see that power is now switched to the other traveler. If we were to follow it on through the four-way, you will see that it is blocked by the other three-way. But if I was to switch to four-way, you will see that the travelers are now crisscross, allowing power to be moved over to the other traveler and onto the three-way and energizing the light. This is how four-way switches work. They either pass the traveler straight through, or they will crisscross the travelers. This has been a presentation of the four-way switches and how they work. I hope this has been a help to you. Thank you for watching.